Young people are getting crushed by the burden of student debt.
Biden said more than once that he would immediately cancel at least $10,000 worth of student loan debt.
$10,000 in debt relief as stimulus right now. I'm prepared to write off the $10,000 debt.
If Congress sends him a bill, he's happy to sign it.
People still don't know this. This does not require legislation.
An additional, less covered promise that Biden made on the campaign trail was to reform these bankruptcy laws, which he helped write, that really rigged the system against student debtors.
I've endorsed Elizabeth Warren's bankruptcy proposal, which in fact goes further, allows for student debt to be relieved in bankruptcy.
A 35-year-old man who held about $100,000 in student debt went to bankruptcy court in Delaware to have the debt discharged. He is unable to keep a job due to disability. He had a rare victory in court. Bankruptcy judges, in part thanks to laws that Biden helped write as a senator, set a very high standard for having student debt discharged through bankruptcy. So this man wins a rare victory. A few days ago, the Biden administration announces that it's going to be appealing the judge's decision, which not only could prevent this man from having his student loan debt discharged, but it could also bolster this existing legal precedent, which creates a very high standard for having debt discharged through bankruptcy.
He's a senator from Delaware, which is basically a corporate banana republic.
This work that Biden did on rigging the bankruptcy laws was some of his most odious work that he did in the Senate.
2005 bankruptcy law that made it harder to reduce student debt, preventing most Americans from claiming bankruptcy protections for private student loans.
It really puts a prohibition on the judges themselves, saying you really can't lower student debt.
His education department claims to be reviewing its policies towards these bankruptcy cases, but there hasn't been anything yet.
Your problem with the credit card companies is usury rates from your position. It's not about the bankruptcy bill.
But, Senator, if you're not going to fix that problem, you can't take away the last shred of protection for these families.
Okay.